How to stretch? First of all, draw any object, S enter, and select the object, this portion, and after select object you drag it and the object is stretch. Okay, again same here, S enter and select object and click enter, and after click enter you drag it. Okay, in here my ortho is on. If your ortho is on, your object move horizontally or vertically. If your ortho is off, then your object move rotate any direction, upward, downward, vertically, horizontally, etc. Okay, thank you. Visit again and comment your opinion.